this is the project kickoff and how to copy parts from Canvas so that you can have access to them for this project. So the first thing you're going to want to do is, if you haven't done so already, click on Projects, and you want to make a new project file. I'm going to squeeze this a little bit, try to get where we can see a little better. It's not going to let me. So we're going to hit New, and this will be a single user project. And this is the part where you put in the name. So I'm going to put in an example name so you can see how to do it. So we have example train project. What you can call this will be like mini train or my train project or something like that. So when you put the name in there, you click finish, and it's going to ask if you want to create the path, and now you have your project in here. So then you simply click done, and then you make sure that over here in your project list that that's what you have selected. So over here we have the example project that I just made, and it has a check mark, so that's where we're at. Alright. The next thing you'll need to do is get parts that you haven't made. Let's say that, for instance, you have made the body and the wheel, and you still need some of the other parts. So instead of making those, because we are going to run out of time to do that, and I have other things we want to do, I want you to go to the engineering homepage and go to modules. Scroll down to the very bottom of this list, and you'll see one that says 5-8 mini train drawings. And actually these are parts that we will use for the drawing. The drawing assignment will come later. Let's say that you needed the cow catcher. So you click on the link for the part you need, and then click on the download of that part. And in Chrome it will show up down here. If you choose Open Folder or Show in Folder, and then when you pick the parts that you need, let's say for instance the stock cow catcher. Let's move this over so you can see the whole window. I'm going to Control C, copy, and then go to Documents. I'm going to find Inventor and open that. You won't have that. And I'm looking for the project I just configured, so Example Train Project. And then right click and paste in here. Right there. And now you can see the part is in there. Another way to do this is if you open two of these Explorer windows with the Command E, or it's the Windows key E, Command E, you can open another Explorer window like this, and you can do downloads and get all the stuff that you have here and drag it into this folder like that. And in this case I have multiples. The ones that have the parentheses in the one, I don't want you to use those. Use the ones that are just the straight name. On the stock parts, do not make any changes to them whatsoever. Use them as is. Don't change their color, don't change their dimensions, don't change anything about them. Alright?